Dark-tying, hoop-wearing, loud-mouth, hood-rat, corner-loving, pants-sagging, drug-pushing, thug black. Don't be too black. That's not professional. So talented, so gifted, moving up. But don't you know, dreads, that's too black. But what you mean too black was Toussaint, King Jr., Malcolm X, Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, Mary McLeod, Sojourner Truth, Booker T. W. E. B., County Cullen, Baldwin Wright, Langston Hughes, Maya Angelou, Maxine Waters, Condoleezza, Charlene, Mandela, Barack. Are they too black too? Is it too black to have a whole month, a whole year, a whole book, a whole memory, a whole show dedicated just to you? If that's the case, I wonder what they'll say when I go beyond